Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to control the left and right sound balance when you're hearing some music or watching a movie using the phone speakers. So if you want only left or if you only want the right speakers to work, then let me show you how to configure this on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So first, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings at the top right, scroll down until you see accessibility. Now scroll down until you see hearing enhancements. Scroll all the way down until you see phone speakers. Now if you choose left, only the left side speakers will work. And if you choose right, the only right side speakers will work. So there you go, guys. That is how to adjust the left and right sound balance from your phone speakers on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.